What's up, guys? I'll welcome you back again to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. And on today's tutorial, I put up this makeup tutorial for people who are always on the go, and it's makeup on the go, which I put in this category. This is makeup for people that are always on the go and wake up in the morning, jump to bed, and you are off to work. So I put this tutorial for you. It's just about 3 or 4 makeup products and it's looking still good. Try to go with things that that makes you look beautiful, that you can put on and enhance, and all. If you want to look good when you're going to work, of course you have to sacrifice to wake up about at least early enough so that you can be able to do whatever you want to do. So I hope you find this video useful. I hope it is useful. And so guys, let's get started. I'll show you in this tutorial how I cover my under eye pigment to bring this makeup. One thing that comes first, no matter how much I'm running it, my brow must be made. Even if I don't have time to finish up or to clean up with concealer, it must be. The second thing, I've already done my brow. The second thing is going to be my under eye. I always ensure I conceal my under eye with this concealer. This is Kevin O'Connor concealer. It is a cream concealer, not a liquid concealer. You can see I've already used like tons of these. I'm gonna go and use it to conceal my under eye. First thing, sorry, I'm supposed to apply primer. So I'm just gonna tap. Oh no, the weather doesn't look good today. So that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead to conceal my under eye. I'm using Kevin. I'll tap a little bit on my eye and blend it with a beauty blender. But most times I love to blend with my fingers, because I need to be sure that this under eye have been covered. Sometimes we have pigment with my finger for this. I love to blend with my fingers. It gets to the place so well. Side, I have just that's the reason why I said. So the next thing, I poured prime, and if I still have time, I'm gonna go with my foundation. You don't need remaining left. I'm gonna go back to the place of the concealer. Make sure everything looks good. Guys, lastly, I love to do the lip gloss because it's quite easy to apply. So I'm using this is my blush. You're just gonna cover your gloss. So just to enhance your beauty. It's not just to cover your beauty, it's just to enhance you a little bit. So this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you like it. Can you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you